Hi, my name is Anthony Mole, and I'm an associate scientist here at Parker Lord.
Hi, I'm Anurod Tripathi. You can call me Anu. I'm a senior scientist here at Parker Lord. Here at Parker, we offer wide variety of 2K gap fillers. These are also called thermal interface materials. We offer them in multiple chemistries such as silicone and polyurethanes.
As industries optimize battery pack designs for thermal management, there's been a push to increase production and decrease complexities involved with 2K gap fillers. With customer specifications in mind, we have developed a 1K gap filler that is both isocyanate free and a non-silicone. This is a low density 2 watt per meter Kelvin material that has comparable flow properties and battery insertion forces to its 2K counterparts.
My colleague Anthony mentioned about the complexities in the 2K system. There are 4 main sources of complexities in 2K system that arise during manufacturing. First, a precise mix control is needed to ensure that the final mix is at an optimum ratio. Otherwise, material performance can be compromised. Second, a long mixing nozzle may complicate applications in constricted areas or edges. Third, a 2K gap filler of similar viscosity as a 1K gap filler, if dispensed at the same rate, will require higher dispense pressure as compared to 1K gap filler. Fourth, there are twice as component needed to dispense a 2K gap filler as compared to 1K gap filler, such as short meters, pumps. This may increase the initial capital investment.
With our 1K gap filler, we can address these manufacturing and operational complexities. However, the manufacturing ease of 1K gap fillers comes with a few trade-offs when compared to 2K. First, the cure rate of the 1K gap filler is highly dependent on both environmental conditions and the bond line geometry. Meanwhile, the 2K gap fillers are not dependent on bond line geometry and much less dependent on environmental conditions. The other trade-off from a customer perspective is the much wider variety of 2K gap filler products in the market as compared to 1K gap fillers.
If you are interested in learning more about our 1K technology, please download our white paper. And for further questions, please reach out to a member of our team today.